Hi, everyone. This is Eric Roselli at the Cleveland Clinic. I'm getting fired up for the Cleveland Walk for Victory to support the Marfan Foundation, which really supports the efforts to increase awareness and raise money to really help people with all connective tissue disorders and thoracic aortic syndromes and their families. We raised over $50,000 last year. And I'm sending you a warm welcome and invitation to please join us on Sunday, September 18th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on our beautiful Cleveland Clinic Health Education campus. I'll be there with my co-chairs, Dr. Ken Zaka, Sager Kalahasti, and a bunch of really wonderful families of many of these patients who've been affected by these complex diseases, which we've become so much better at taking care of to give people long, healthy lives. So please come on up and join us so that we can once again become top fundraisers for this great event. Thank you very much.